Right guys, gonna try here, see what we can find. Wish me luck, man. This is like a £350 fucking GoPro I'm just slinging in sea. So yeah man, we shall see. Right, adios guys. And we made it again. I don't know how much I'm going to push my luck doing this, man, but so far so good. So far so good. Awesome, on to the next spot.